All right, good morning. We will start our Unit 7 review. I believe there are 12 problems that we can review. So let's start with number 1. Number 1, it says the pair of linear equations y equals to 5 over 2x minus 2 and y equals to half x plus 2 are graphed below. So you see the graph right there. I'm putting it in a box. And the graph shows that the two lines cross. Okay, so which values, I'm reading the question right now, which values for x and y will satisfy both linear equations? Satisfy just means when you plug in an x comma y value, okay, to both of the equations, it will make the two equations true. However, in this case, really what we need to find out is where they intersect, which is right here. Okay, and the ordered pair for that is 2 comma 3. Okay, so 2 comma 3, and so if you look at your choices, 2 comma 3, it's C. All right, I hope that is very clear. All right, thank you, bye.